Respected teachers and dear friends, good evening all of you. Today's date is 4th of April 2022. Our today's topic is features of Java. My name is Dinesh and this is the original video on this topic. So let's talk about what is Java and what are the features of it. Java is an object-oriented programming language which is used in a distributed environment on the internet. It can be used for creating any type of applications or softwares such as web-based application, desktop-based applications, Windows-based applications, enterprise applications, or any kind of softwares, etc. The very first primary objective behind the creation of Java programming language was to make it simple, portable, and a secure programming language. Apart from this, there are some excellent features of Java which will make it a very popular programming language. So let's talk about all the features of Java in details. We call it some buzzwords of Java. So first feature of Java is a simple. Java programming language is very easy to read and understand. Its syntax is very simple to understand for the beginners also. According to Sun Microsystem, Java programming language is simple because its syntax is based on C++ language. So it is very easier to the programmer to learn after C programming. The second point is it has removed some unwanted and rarely used features such as explicit pointers and operator overloading. It also come up with automatic garbage collection in Java. So an unused data or unused objects in the program can be automatically deleted with the use of automatic garbage collector. The second feature of Java is object-oriented. Java programming language is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object-based. And object-oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects which will incorporate both the data and behavior. An object-oriented programming concept will help to create the programs with the use of some rules, and it will enhance the code readability and the code simplicity. The third point of the feature is platform independent. The Java programming language is a platform independent programming language because it can run on any machine like Windows, Mac OS, Sun Solaris, Linux, etc. Java has a compiler in it which will compile the source code we have written into the bytecode, and that bytecode can be run on any machine. So due to that feature, we call Java as a platform independent machine. The next one feature of Java is robust. Robust means a simple. It is very simple because it has a strong memory management. It has no explicit pointers. It is highly secured, so that we call it as a strong programming language. The second one feature of Java is portable. As I said you that a bytecode generated in Java programming language can be run on any machine. So we can carry that bytecode with us and we can use it in any machine. So because of that reason, we call Java as a portable programming language. The next feature of Java is architectural neutral. Java is architectural neutral programming language. It means it is independent on the implementation of any architecture. If we see an example, in case of C language or C++ language, it occupies 2 bytes of memory for the 32 byte of architecture and 4 byte of memory for 64 bit of architecture. In case of Java, it is not that case. The primitive data types has a fixed value. If we talk about int, it has 4 bytes of range. It is common for 32 bit architecture and 64 bit architecture also. The next feature of Java is distributed. Java programming language is distributed in nature. It means we can we can create an enterprise applications with the use of Java. So because of that reason, we can use any objects or any classes of the Java program by calling its methods from any machine on the internet. Next feature of Java is that it is a highly secure programming language. Highly secure, why? Because we can create virus-free systems with the use of Java programming language. It is very highly secure because it has, firstly, it has no explicit pointers, and the second one is the code inside the Java firstly runs inside a Java virtual machine sandbox and then goes to the actual machine. It has a class loader which loads the classes of Java, and then the machine is interacting with that particular class. Class loader can actually separate the classes from the package and the classes which are loaded from another local systems. So it provides security, extra security. It has a bytecode verifier. Bytecode verifier means all the classes in Java first verified by the bytecode verifier for any illegal activities which can violate any access rights to the objects. It has a strong memory management. So next feature of Java is it is dynamic in nature. We can load any classes of the Java programming language on our demand. So we call it as a dynamic programming language. So next one feature of Java is it is easy to understand. So this is all about the features of Java. I think it's enough. Thank you so much.